You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno a tutti. Let's learn how to pronounce correctly once and for all the name of this fashion company from Italy. If you want to learn more names from fashion luxury brands, stay tuned. We've got them all here coming up soon. At the end of the video, Brunello, Italian pronunciation, how to pronounce Brunello Cucinelli. Cucci, yes, the C here is pronounced like CH because it's before an I. Cucinelli, because you have double L, you want to stress on that double L. So, Brunello Cucinelli. Brunello Cucinelli, Italian pronunciation. In English, you can say it simply as Brunello Cucinelli. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.